awesome ceremony, as you know. Okay, today I told you before that I will be uploading a video on Lego NXT Bulldozer with a camera and a PC remote control. I made a video on PC and remote control, but I told you that I will be using a camera in my next video. So, as you know, this is my that bulldozer. Okay, so, and this is my iPhone, and I'm going to put it over here. See, I have made extra space for my iPhone. Okay, so now it looks like this. So I would be streaming video from my iPhone to my laptop. Okay, so what do you have to do? Just open your NXT simple remote. Okay, like it's a controlling software for your NXT break, and the app I'm using is At Home Security Camera, which can stream video from one mobile to the another mobile, but you can also use it from mobile to your PC or laptop. So I'm using mobile to PC. Okay, let me show you my app. Just a sec. Okay, so you have to download this app. Yeah, this one. No, you can't see. Okay, it's called At Home Video Streamer. You have to download this on your mobile or tab, and not tab, only mobile only. Okay, and the other app that you have to download on your PC is just a second. This is At Home Camera. Okay, this you have to download on your PC. This will be like a streamer. No, the mobile app is a streamer, but it will stream video to your laptop. Okay, so you have to use this. Okay, so let me show you my laptop. So I am using Windows 10.2, and this is the At Home Camera software that you have to install on your PC or laptop. You can see I have connected two devices with it, Android and iOS. Both are online now. Yeah, this and this one, the above. You can add more cameras from here. Like, you have to type camera CID, username and password. You can also choose your preferred view from there. This one is the full screen one. In my previous video, I told you how to use the NXT simple remote in the Lego NXT Bulldozer with the PC remote control. To control your NXT brick, you just have to move the cursor around these green buttons. You can also use your arrow keys. I prefer using arrow keys only. So you can see it's moving forward, left, right, back. You can also adjust the power for the motor. See, it's moving now very fast. You can also do reverse, like it will move forward at the back button. These three are the motor ports, A, B, B, C and AC. And from here you have to select your NXT brick and connect it using Bluetooth to this software. You can see it's moving. I've fitted my iPhone in it, And you can also see those objects like on the floor, like the lamp. This remote, it's very simple, you can use it anytime. I like playing with this bulldozer a lot. And please don't forget to keep watching my videos and liking them, and also subscribe to my channel. My next video would be how to get a free premium account in Minecraft. So bye for now.